great resignation is the result of dissatisfaction, a sense of insecurity, unhappiness in our day-to-day life, and especially with reference to our professional life. Is the only reason the corporate? Is the only reason the employer? Is the only reason the place, location, organization? For a moment, if you think, we find that dissatisfaction, insecurity, unhappiness are present in our mind, not outside. But why? Desire is not fulfilled. Oh, we should have a desire, no doubt. But take an example. You go to Kohl's store, it's an apparel, clothes are found there, and you start demanding pizza. You start demanding pasta, which is not available there. Did I check it? With my wisdom, I'm constantly nagging others to give me which the others cannot. So when I force, there is a reaction, and then there is a relationship between the employer and the employees becomes crazy. Eastern wisdom says we should understand clearly what we want, we do not get. Why? What we get, we do not like. Why? What we like, it does not remain forever. Why and how? Out of millions of desires in the world, we have selected few cherished desires that are not fulfilled, causes problem, pain, and suffering. Why this happens? Can all desires be fulfilled? We know it is not possible. Even after knowing we are unhappy, we enter into pain and the suffering in our life. Question is the mood question, or is the real question is how to get rid of unhappiness, dissatisfaction, insecurity from my mind? And if I continue to believe that this dissatisfaction, unhappiness, and insecurity can be removed by an employer or an organization, not possible. I have to change my mind. I have to change my mind. Solution is to understand the mind you start working on the mind, not the other way. The mind starts working on you. When the mind starts working on you, the blame, complaint, reaction, anger, hesitation will continue. There is no way. From both the sides, employer and employee. So the very first thing, let me understand my mind, start working on the mind. This is what the Eastern wisdom teaches.